In one of the most extensive studies conducted by the Royal Veterinary College in 2016, the researchers set out to list the most common health problems in dogs. And what took the podium? Third place with 7.1% of the surveyed dogs, obesity. Second place with 7.3%, ear infection. First place with a staggering 12.5%, dental disease. Unfortunately, this is not a cause for celebration. According to an article published by Frontiers, at least 80% of dogs over the age of 3 are at risk of some type of periodontal disease. This startling statistic highlights a common but often overlooked issue in pet health. Bad breath in dogs is not normal or something you should accept, and it can be a red flag for various underlying health problems. So, if you've ever turned away from a smelly dog kiss, now it's time to tune in. In this video, we're diving deep into the reasons behind your dog's unpleasant breath and what you can do to help. The most apparent cause is dental or gum disease. When plaque and tartar accumulate on the teeth, it creates an ideal environment for bacteria to thrive. This bacterial growth can lead to gum disease or more severe conditions like periodontitis, causing inflammation, infection, and ultimately foul breath. Bad breath can also be a symptom of underlying systemic health issues. Kidney disease, liver problems, and diabetes can all manifest through changes in breath odor. For example, kidney disease can cause a urine-like or even fishy smell, while liver issues may result in a sweet, musty, or foul odor. Diabetes can produce a sweet or fruity smell reminiscent of nail polish remover. Oral tumors or masses can cause bad breath in dogs, particularly if they become infected. These growths might develop on the gums, tongue, or other oral tissues, leading to inflammation, necrosis, and foul-smelling discharge. If you've noticed any suspicious lumps or growths in your pup's mouth, immediately take it to the vet. Your dog's diet plays a significant role in its oral health and breath quality. Foods high in carbohydrates or sugars like most kibble can promote bacterial growth in the mouth, leading to bad breath. And contrary to popular belief, dry food doesn't help clean the teeth. Actually, quite the opposite. When mixed with a dog's saliva, it creates this mushy texture that gets stuck near the gums, especially back teeth, and promotes plaque accumulation. Digestive issues can also contribute to bad breath in dogs. Imbalances in gut flora or gastrointestinal infections can produce foul-smelling gases, which are expelled through the mouth, leading to an unpleasant breath odors. Maintaining a healthy digestive system through a proper fresh food diet and using probiotics and prebiotics can help prevent this issue. Dogs are notorious for chewing on various objects, which can sometimes become lodged in their mouths. Sticks, bones, toys, or even pieces of cloth can get stuck between the teeth, in the gums, or even the throat, leading to irritation, inflammation, and bacterial growth, all contributing to bad breath. So, what can you as a dog owner do to ensure your pup's breath stays fresh? Start with daily brushing. I can't stress enough how important this is. Not only will you be able to spot any changes in your dog's mouth straight away and take them to the vet to avoid unnecessary pain, but your dog's breath will no longer be a problem. Remember to use toothpaste made for dogs and never use human ones, as they can contain ingredients toxic to dogs. You can make your own toothpaste too. Mix some organic coconut oil with neem bark powder and use the paste to clean your pup's teeth. Both ingredients possess antibacterial properties that can help reduce the bacteria in your dog's mouth that are responsible for causing bad breath and preventing cavities and plaque from forming. Consider providing your dog with raw meaty bones for chewing, as they can help remove tartar buildup and promote gum health. Remember only to offer raw bones, as cooked or smoked bones can pose hazards to your dog's health. Additionally, opt for meaty bones, as the process of your dog gnawing and pulling off pieces of meat and cartilage from the bone mimics the action of brushing and flossing, promoting better dental hygiene. Always supervise your dog while it chews on bones and choose bones that are appropriate for your dog's size to prevent choking or dental fractures. Add probiotics and dental seaweed supplements to your daily routine. Probiotics, such as our tummy supplement, promote a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, which can indirectly improve oral health because of a strong connection between gut and mouth health. Harmful bacteria in the gut can migrate to the oral cavity through saliva, leading to an overgrowth of bacteria in the mouth and causing unpleasant breath odors. Therefore, maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for your dog's overall well-being, including their oral health. Dental seaweed supplements, such as our chomper, contain natural compounds that can help reduce plaque formation, soften the existing tartar so that it can be scraped off easily, and support oral hygiene. Seaweed is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the gums and oral tissues. As we already know, inflammation is a common contributing factor to gum disease and other dental issues that can lead to bad breath. So incorporating seaweed supplements in your dog's diet can be a more natural and holistic approach to promoting fresher breath. You can also add watercress or parsley to your dog's food, as both herbs contain chlorophyll, which can help neutralize odors and freshen breath. If your pup is not a fan of herbs, you can finely chop and mix them up with some plain cottage cheese and spread them on a lick mat with a ratio 1:2. Not only do dogs love cottage cheese, but it's also great for maintaining a healthy gut. Lastly, fatty acid supplements containing omega-3, such as our omega, can help manage periodontal inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids might have antimicrobial effects, helping to inhibit the growth of bacteria in the mouth. Omega-3 fatty acids can help improve oral hygiene and breath odor by reducing the bacteria population that contributes to bad breath. But if your dog's tartar has already gotten out of hand, the last resort can be professional cleaning. You can start with ultrasound teeth cleaning. Some groomers offer this service, so check if that's available in your area. Another, more invasive option to remove plaque and tartar buildup is dental scaling performed by veterinarians. However, your dog will have to be under general anesthesia, so there is a risk involved. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Fresh breath isn't just about pleasant kisses. It's a key indicator of our dog's overall health, and we can make a real difference in our furry friends' lives by staying proactive and informed. So here's what you can do. Prioritize daily dental care, incorporate natural remedies and supplements into your routine, and watch for any signs of dental issues or underlying health problems. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. By looking after your dog's oral health, you ensure they live their best lives. Thanks for watching.